Hey YouTube, this is just a quick catching you up on some of these projects. This is the Buckling Spring 40%. Those Model F guys really know what they're talking about. This sounds amazing. It's part of a collaboration. Someone's working on the circuit board and just made all these designs and printed them out. Got the circuit board made up. He sent parts. It's just great. Desk Authority is awesome. But this should be ready soon. All it needs is a controller, and it'll be good for testing. And then we'll get a better case on it. But Buckling Spring end key rollover 40%. This is part of a long-standing project that I've wanted to do. I'm going to call it the Blank, the completely transparent 40% keyboard. So this is just a switch tester, so not exactly the best fits. These are Kailh clickies, and they have they're entirely transparent except for obviously the leaf contacts and the anvil, which is on the inside. You can kind of barely see it. It's kind of a whitish color. But I'm just waiting for my DCS transparent key caps, and then I'll put this into an all acrylic case with some backlighting on it and hand wire it so all the light just pours straight through. That's going to be a lot of fun. And then this is the Key Company. I think there's actually, nope. I had a sticker around here. Oh, never mind. Anyways, the Key Company has these from time to time. They are cherry boards for harvesting black MX switches. And I have a video up on how to desolder these really easily. So you get switches for like 15 cents a piece. It's ridiculous. So shout out to them, and definitely check on their site, see if they have any of those. That's a great way to get into your kit, get started immediately. I think that's it for now. There's going to be more updates coming up soon. A lot of projects moving. So see you soon.